What's going on, guys? It's another day. It's time to do our Asian session trading. We're 30 minutes out from setting up Orb. Let's get our music back going so you guys can hear. It's a little too loud. It's pretty right about there. It's fine. So, market was a very interesting market today because we had a whole lot of action with the whole Iran retaliating against the United States, and then it seems like that's calmed down. It seems like the oil is going down. It seems like the market overall is going up. It seems like tensions are easing. It seems like we're on the end of it. You can kind of see that where, you know, again, how the dollar kind of rose, and it kind of fell to balance out. Here it kind of rose. Right now, looking at what things are at, we're at a kind of pivotal point here because you can see at the top we're at a zone where it's hitting upper zones. Like the 1.16065 area, we're a little short of that right now, but that's kind of a whole nother zone in itself up there. When you can say it's a resistance at this point, but it's kind of in the middle of it, so it's almost support. Basing what I'm seeing on just the structure of everything, I'm feeling, and I say feeling very scarily. I mean, I'm not confident, but it feels like the euro is going to go short and the dollar is going to rebound. It just seems like it's at that market where it's going to want to bounce. What's leaning me to that direction is, again, MFI don't lie. Even though sometimes technically MFI can lie, but it doesn't really work with our trend of MFI don't lie. And you're seeing MFI around 74. It's been sitting up in the almost overbought territory this whole time. Like it rose up, and it just has been chilling there and chilling there and chilling there and going. And now it looks like it's starting to get a little bit of shortness. Now, we still have 30 minutes, so it could completely crash before then. And the move might be already over and the play might be over. We might not have a play at all. Or we may have a play. I don't know. We're going to wait and see. Encouraging candle here on the dollar so far. We'll see how this candle closes out. But remember, we're going to wait for Orb to also confirm. We're going to watch how each pair between the euro and the yen, how they go against the dollar. We're going to see how that goes before we make any trades. I made a couple trades messing around Sunday and today, or earlier today. They don't really count. But just to let you know, basically in a nutshell, we're break even at this point. I had 2 baby trades, I missed 2, and then I gained 1. So we're at break even. Now last week we had a couple wins, we had a couple losses, and then we ended up with a little bit of profit. Because remember, we're not trading big money because we don't have big money. And eventually, maybe we'll get to one day where we'll actually get to trade live money, but we're practicing the trade, the sell amount where I feel that we will be comfortable to trade. I think where most majority of people would be comfortable trading, and if they're not comfortable with that, then you can even go smaller. You know, I just feel that 0.20 is kind of the juice worth the squeeze kind of trade. It's got that middle where you can get a good amount of money, but you're not gonna. And when I mean a good amount of money, to me, I'm looking for $5 or $10 profit on a trade, and that's the goal. We get $5 to $10 profit, we're happy. We're doing baby trades. It's a war of attrition, you know, and that's where it's tough because you're making a lot of trades. And I've already been through a lot of mistakes where I was taking trades that were bigger. I was trying to get 10, 15, and I noticed as I started to do that, I'm starting to hold a lot longer. I'm not taking the baby out when I'm starting to see the market shift against me. And sometimes I've been on the other side where I've taken out a little too early and I've lost a little bit. But I'd rather lose a little bit on a profit than continue to hold and lose all profit or get torched. So it's a balancing act. And I'm not the master of it, nor do I claim to be. But it's what we're going to try to do. We're going to keep trying and practicing. And so far, our Orb Tokyo strategy seems to have worked. Again, we use a combination of kind of all of it. We use Orb, we use, I guess, Instinct Guts in the MFI, and the contrary of the pairs. So again, if you see that the USD is strong and it's going long, and the euro hasn't crashed down yet because it's messing around, and the MFI shows above like it is, you know, that's when that play can be in play, especially if it breaks out of Orb. And remember, we're not trying to swing for the fences. A lot of you guys, I mean, if you can swing for the fences and hit, great. Swing for the fences, make lots of money. Well, you're just trying to practice a strategy. So when we eventually go live, hopefully I'll make a little bit of money. And then if it continues to work, maybe I'll just continue to scale up a little bit at a time. But right now, and this is interesting here, this is what I was saying right here. See, we had, it goes up, MFI was cruising above, and now it's come down quite a bit. So we'll just continue to wait and see on that. But I'm not in any hurry. And well, again, we might not have a play. But we've got, like I said, about, what, 24 minutes before we make the play. So just about. But that structure is interesting. Yeah, and I look at the dollar. Goodness gracious, it hasn't been that high in a while. So it could come crashing down, or it could do a bounce. When you look at the 4 hour, it's interesting. But, like I said, we're just going to keep working it. Anyway, I'm going to jump off here for a little bit. You all can watch the charts if you want to watch the charts. Talk about your own strategies that you're thinking, and we will continue to grind. I'll be back. Hold up. Hold up, hold up. We've got some breaking news that will affect the market quite a bit. Trump says that Israel and Iran war is ended and a ceasefire is now agreed upon. So that would explain why oil did what it did. And so that's going to affect the market quite a bit. If anything, that should, I would assume, make a dollar stronger. So that really leads into even more what we're thinking. But anyway, I just read that side on X, so I had to jump on and tell everyone that there's a ceasefire in place with Iran and Israel and the United States. So that's over and done with. Hopefully that just stays over and done with. They don't have the ability to nuke. We dropped a couple bombs. No Americans were hurt. Sounds cruel, but it's just the way we're going to do it. Anyway, that's enough of that. This candle is very interesting. We're going to see how the market, when that Tokyo market rolls in at 7 o'clock. And then the Asian market follows at 8 o'clock. So hopefully we'll get that pre-wave. Try to get in there and make a trade. But we will wait and see. We've got 20 minutes. Anyway, as you are, I'm going back. I'll be back. It's tempting to break my own strategy, I swear, because it looks like I'm going to miss the move. So it's fear of missing out. It's getting me right now because the move looks like a short here. By the time I get in it, by sitting to my orb strat, I'm going to miss the move. The move that MFI has set up, but that's okay. We'll wait and see. This candle here, it's just definitely, you can see the zone even from before. It's a solid support here. I'd put a short in here, at least to get, at least to come down here and touch. Yep. But could be a reversal here. It's hitting a little bit of zone action. The dollar does want to turn back around and go back down. Just don't see it. Too much good news coming our way for all of a sudden the dollar to get weaker. I just don't see it. A little bit of pullback. This tells me it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop. Minutes. Kind of glad to see this hold right now. Gives us a better shot of getting inside of the trade. If we can hold for another 10 minutes, well, I should say another 25 minutes. Get our orb established. Because I always feel better rolling with the MFI. I don't like, though, going against the trend. The trend has been down all, well, majority of the day after a big spike. It was going up and then down. And it does have me concerned a bit. 9 minutes. 9 minutes and then we'll start up on orb. Jeez. Slowed way down. Ooh. That's a big shift. Did you see that? Still waiting. 6 minutes till the beginning of orb. This is interesting. I could be wrong. Did it try to come all the way back down? It's got room to run either way. That's what makes it tricky. The MFI is dead center on the USD. I'd prefer the MFI to have been up here. Probably all the way up here. Would have made me feel a lot more confident. But here's the thing, it still never dropped. It still never dropped. I mean, you want to count that, I guess. I just see it. 3 minutes. Then we get ready to do the orb. Let's see what the 5 minutes doing. That's interesting. And then MF5 was just cruising down there and it started coming back. Two minutes. One minute. Oh, the clocks always seem like there's ahead of mine because they click over like 30, almost like 10 seconds before mine clicks. No, let's see. Alright. Let the orb begin. Now shit's gonna get real. We're gonna start seeing some more movement. Look, it almost went instantly. Whoa. No, sir. We're gonna move you down right now. Move you up for now. We're gonna chill there. Down for now. Up for now until we figure out what we're gonna do with this orb. 15 minutes. Oh, yep. What did I say? Looks like it's gonna come touch to me. If it gets... Okay. This is a target here. 146.120. Somewhere around it, trying to get back up and touch. But you notice there's a price here. Second time it's hit at the whatever the fuck this is, 146.013. It's hit that before. Look like it hit it again. Just waiting on the orb. Ooh. That's a little bit of resistance there. Look at that go. Could be poised for a trend continuance. I just don't see it. I just feel that it's gonna go up, and I feel that this is gonna go down, but I could be 100% wrong. This is a great thing about trading. You got a 50-50 shot right out of the gate of getting it right. That's better than what baseball players get. You realize a batter at baseball, if they hit 300, that means a third of their at-bats. They're awesome. This is a 50-50 shot. Just flipping a coin. You got a 50-50 chance of being right and wrong. We're just trying to skew the probabilities. Check the 5-minute chart real quick while we're waiting. All signs point to fucking trend direction change. It's like a stop. Green, 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 green. And MFI is chilled down. There's a lot of positive push on this. Let's look at the 5 minutes, see how it looks. Onward to the next 10 minutes to go, Vorb. It's not going to stay like this for 10 more minutes, I promise you. It's going to shift. Could get bigger than this. See what I say? What did I say? Right now, it looks like it's going to push the dollar. This could be a trend continuation play. I could be wrong. When you got MFI dead center like that, it's just a scary... I don't like it. Makes the trading more difficult. We got 9 minutes left on the clock. Ooh. See? It's kind of chilling. It's not going to stay there. I'm telling you, it's going to move. It's going to move when we get in about probably 11 minutes in. So if we only got about 4 minutes to go, it's going to move by then. I highly doubt it's going to close this small. I don't give a shit about what this candle did. The market in Tokyo just opened at 7. So it's not as aggressive as when the Asian market opens at 8, but still, it's our pre-orb orb. And it's our new strategy that we've been trying, and it's been working. Ugh. My goodness.
Trust the grind, or be breaks perfect time. Stay on pace, but always true. That's how champions push through. Lights on, we're in control. Steady soul.
So yeah, it's getting a little more active. See that? Gonna flicker a little bit, but I tell you, what, 2 minutes to go? Didn't I say when we get to like 7-11 where it's 4 minutes to go, it's gonna start moving? Look at it starting to move. See? Look at it starting to move. Not the direction I thought it was gonna go in, but that's not the point. I really thought the euro would be crashing, but this might be a trend continuation play, because the USD has room to run. Five minutes. See that? Look. Look at that. Hey, look at that shit. Looks like continuation play. That's cool. I mean, if it wants to fucking break and continue, we'll roll with it. It's just, you know, that's why we do a hunch. We don't say for certain. Four minutes. Yeah, that's basically. It might get bigger, but that's a big enough orb for me. Reversing might make a big power play push up like I thought, and this might come crashing down. Yep. 3 minutes on the orb. Yep, I fucking thought so. 3 fucking minutes. Then we can close this orb and figure out what we're gonna do. Mm-hmm. Two minutes. Two very long fucking minutes. Make it 1 long minute. Looks like it's gonna hold there. Yep. Not a bad orb. Now I can see. We have orb established. Let's see if it breaks orb. It's trying. It might be a continuation play. Because MFI has settled down. It's no longer overbought or undersold territory. It ain't overbought no more. So they can continue to continue, you know? Still hasn't broken orb yet. Why can I not zoom in? It's fucking annoying. We have a touch of orb here. We're trying to break orb. I don't like it. You know what? We're gonna wait. Waiting on the 5 minute. If it breaks, we're gonna go against what we said. Yeah, because it's about to close. I don't like that. Not yet. Not yet. Our play might still be in the game here. And then again, it might not be. Just fucking madness. It hasn't been this high. But it looks like it's gonna continue. Just touching right up here though. I'm getting a lot of resistance here. A lot of resistance. We're still in our first 15-minute candle. Oh shit. Yep. We're putting sell in. Damn it, we missed it. We missed it. Missed it a little bit. We need one of those monster pushes. A little bit more. One more good push. Oh, no retrace. Oh, there's the retrace. It's a trick. That might have been the push retrace and then onward, upward. Yeah, cleaning everybody out. Let's put a fucking very tight stop. Cause I'm not confident in this one at all. 145.945. 945. Yeah, we're just gonna put that at the bottom of orb. West, yeah. Yep, it was a trick. And I fell for it. That was just a retracement. Should have got out of there when I did. When I had the fucking profit, I should have got out. Very weird candle. This next one's gonna pretty much either stop us out or it's gonna push one more big push like that. What the fuck was that? Like I said, I'd like to get one big push. If I can get out of here. Nope. I don't even know where my take profit would be. One, 4, 5. Oh, fuck it, doesn't matter. I'm not gonna worry about it. 14.520. I highly doubt that. Has room to run. Could have hit the bottom there. I mean, look where it is. We got 3 minutes. See what our 15-minute candle looks like. See if it squirms all the way back up. Normally it does. Once it hits that first push and it doesn't get what it wants, which it looks like, I cannot tell, kind of battling. So if it doesn't do that break of structure, it's gonna swoop back up into orb. But with 3 minutes, it's an eternity. You know, you might as well be asking for 3 hours. Yep, there it goes. There's the push. We're gonna get stopped out. It's a battle, but 2 minutes again is too long. We got in the tree too early. That's okay. That's why we do this. This is all part of learning, guys. We can't win every trade. Still battling. We're not. It's not over yet, but it's not looking good. A lot of clock on there. Keeping that red candle. We can hang on to that red candle for 2 minutes is all. It's asking a lot. Yeah, you're asking way too much. Yeah, there's no fucking way. That's gonna come back to orb. You can see it coming back to orb. It's got a whole fucking minute. One minute. Ooh, that's a good push for the home team. Can we hold? Can this be an actual trend? I don't know. I don't know. Trying. It's trying. Ooh. Yeah, it's not looking too good. We're on a fresh thing here. Coming. Oh, we just wanted one big push down. Continuing trend. Wouldn't make any fucking sense, but we're trying to follow the orb strat. It did indeed close outside of the 15-minute. That's a pretty strong fucking candle to do it. So by the strategy, if the strategy is true, it should continue to trend. Unless it's a fake out. Which, if anyone's good at finding fake outs, it's me. We're just trying. But it's hitting a lot of resistance right now. According to MFI, we're right where we need to be, right in the middle. I mean, this was continuing to break. This should be continuance. It's been trending all day. Why not? Continue the trend. Can the orb strategy work? Can the Tokyo work? Looks like it's gonna step us out. Got 1 minute to go. It's making its move. Got about 20 seconds, it's making its move. May stop us out right here on this candle. Yeah, we're getting real close. Very close to being stopped out. Very close. Getting close. And we're stopped out. Just about. Yeah, we would need a monster push down, and I don't see it now. Nope. Okay, we're stopped out. We're gonna put a new order in on a sell. You gotta be shitting me.
City sleeps, but my screen's alive. Candles whisper, charts survive.
Well, this like me a double wham, boys.
Just one zone, just one tick. I trade
You fucking kidding me? You come all the way up?
the quiet time is all I allow.
Fuck me.
Patient hours I breathe slow.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Noise of
Fuck you.
in the stillness I remain. Watching charts like falling rain.
That's bullshit.
From the desk side,
That's bullshit.
shades unfold in shades of night.
Like, if you're gonna break, fucking break. You son of a bitch!
Hands that calm themselves. No alarms, no rush, no sound. I find my truth where peace is found. In these days,
What the fuck? Why would you come all the way back to Orb and touch? And why the fuck did I get stopped out when I wasn't even fucking in Orb?
in the stillness I
Oh, that's so bullshit, dude. That is fucking bullshit. That is bullshit.
No crowds, no cheers, just quiet winds beneath the years.
Yep, I'm out. Fuck it, I'm out. Alright. Basically, we had too tight of a stop. I should have put it to middle and risked more. That's my fault. But I'm not giving up. I'm gonna go one more time. We're gonna up the ante. For the record, Orb didn't fail as I failed with my stupidity. This is why trading is so hard. Go. Would you go? There. Okay. I basically balanced one of our trades out. Very disappointing. Very, very disappointing. We got work to do. We got a lot of work to do. Alright, anyway. We'll just take the L on tonight. Because again, when you're in the middle like this, it's just the trade's no good. Orb says it should continue up. This is saying it should continue down. I don't know what to think. Put in one more trade for a sell.
Wicks like whispers on skin, moving quiet, sharp and clean. Await my turn, I trust the zone in silence. One more break, one contest, no fear. I only take the best.
All right. Those are 2 trades. I still end up with a little bit of a negative, but it is what it is. We have work to do. We'll continue keep grinding on. Everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure to follow along and do your own stuff. Anyway, you'll see y'all follow us on X and everything else. I appreciate it, guys.